The livestock industry is often seen as a major source of environmental challenges, but in Australia, pig farming is setting a positive example of sustainability and innovation. Imagine turning an environmental problem into an energy solution. That's exactly what Australian producers are doing by converting pig manure into biogas. What used to be waste now powers plants that generate clean energy, benefiting both the environment and the local economy. But the story doesn't end there. After this process, what remains of the manure becomes a high-quality natural fertilizer. This material is applied to crops, enriching the soil, improving agricultural productivity, and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. This sustainable model isn't just good for the environment, it's also a significant step in smart resource management. With these practices, Australia's pig industry is leading the way in agricultural innovation, proving that efficiency, environmental conservation, and economic growth can go hand in hand. The lesson from the Australians is clear. Sustainability isn't a cost, it's an opportunity. And those who invest in it today will reap the benefits tomorrow. The meat on your plate has a much more complex journey than you might think. It all starts long before on Australian farms, where biosecurity is taken seriously, ensuring not only animal health but also food safety for you and your family. But what exactly is biosecurity? It's a set of practices designed to prevent diseases from reaching pig herds. In Australia, these measures begin right at the farm entrance. Anyone or any vehicle wanting to enter must follow strict cleaning protocols and rigorous control procedures. And this isn't just red tape. It's an effective way to protect the animals. In addition, producers follow strict quarantine rules and conduct regular health checks on the animals. This careful approach prevents any health issues from spreading, keeping herds safe and healthy. That way, not only are the animals well protected, but consumers also get the assurance of high-quality meat. And when it's time for processing, that attention to detail continues. The pigs are transported carefully to processing facilities, where trained professionals ensure animal welfare at every stage of the process. Behind every piece of meat on your table, there's an industry committed not only to quality but also to respect for animals and public health. And that's exactly what makes Australian pig farming a model of responsibility, safety, and efficiency. The journey of pork from farm to table involves carefully planned steps and details that most people never see. But now, let's take a look inside and see how this process really works. It all starts the moment the pigs arrive at the processing facility. This is when one of the most important and delicate steps begins, preventing any risk of contamination. The safety of both workers and animals depends on it, and every procedure is designed to prevent failures. After this initial stage of care, the transformation process truly begins. Here, precision and experience make all the difference. Nothing goes to waste. Every part of the animal is used with special attention to ensure quality and food safety. But the process doesn't stop there. Technology plays a key role in making each step faster and more efficient. Modern machines remove bones, make precise cuts, and package the final product. These tools speed up the work and ensure that every piece meets the highest hygiene standards. Behind this little-known routine is an efficient and responsible operation. Understanding this journey not only shows how pork reaches your table, but also highlights the commitment to quality and safety in every piece you consume. When you buy pork at the grocery store or enjoy it at a restaurant, you might not think about the story behind that product. But to make sure it reaches you with quality and safety, there's a detailed and complex process that's worth knowing about. It all begins at the plant, where every piece undergoes multiple inspections. Every stage of processing is subject to strict controls to ensure the meat meets health regulations before moving forward. But the story doesn't end there. Once processed, the product must be protected and preserved. This is where packaging comes in. More than just storing the meat, packaging keeps it fresh, preserves its flavor, and ensures it reaches you in perfect condition. But how does this meat get to your local supermarket or favorite restaurant? That's where the distribution network comes in, transporting products across the country. Throughout the journey, critical factors like temperature and hygiene are constantly monitored to ensure everything is perfect for the final consumer. In modern pork production, nothing is left to chance. Every step is a combination of science, experience, and technology. It's a careful balance designed to always deliver quality, safety, and sustainability. Now you know what's behind every piece of pork you eat. A complex and carefully planned process that turns responsibility into excellence from start to finish. Have you ever stopped to think about the story behind the pork you eat every day? It's not just about taste or quality, but also about how this industry works to deliver a safe, nutritious, and sustainable product. In 2022 alone, the United States produced over 1.5 million tons of processed pork. That's an impressive amount, showing how essential this industry is in feeding not just Americans, but consumers around the world. And do you know where a big part of that pork goes? The answer is Asia, especially China, the largest importer of American pork. This means that besides supplying the domestic market, American producers are reaching demanding consumers on the other side of the world, meeting strict international standards. But behind these numbers, there's ongoing work and a commitment that goes beyond just production. It's about trust, quality, and caring for the planet. Did you know about this reality behind the pork that makes it to your table? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you think of this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep discovering more fascinating and surprising stories like this, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.